Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today, right in front, you can see that I do have the Nothing Ear Stick, and what I'm going to be doing in today's video is a very quick unboxing to show you guys what's inside, and of course to give you a very quick take on how it sounds like from an everyday user's perspective. Now what I mean by an everyday user perspective is that I'm not an audiophile, I'm not a professional audiophile or anything like that, but I actually do listen a lot to music on the go. I've been traveling a lot, and so far I've actually been using the Nothing wireless earbuds, and these do sound great, so I'm actually very excited to check out the Nothing Ear Stick that we have here. Now this is retailing in Malaysia for RM469, and if you're in other countries of the world, that should be approximately $100 US. But enough of that said, let's really unbox this guy and see what's on the inside. So just like before, we also have a very interesting packaging here. I always like Nothing packages. There is actually a tab at the top here that shows you where to peel it off. And there you go, we have the, let's pop the lid and see what's inside. So this is the first time, I didn't actually check any YouTube videos on this, but ooh, there you go. Looks really cute here in this very small tube. So this is actually slightly smaller than what I would expect. Let me put that down for now and see if we do have any other accessories on the inside. Oh, there is another pull tab over here, so that should be the charging cable or something like that. Let's see. Okay, so we do have here the manuals, and of course we do have the Type-C cable on the inside. Alright, so very cute packaging, but now let's move on and check out the Nothing Ear Stick itself. Again, like I mentioned earlier on, it's actually smaller than expected. This is the phone itself, and it's actually, not that large. So it does match with my keyboard over there, the white and red combo, which I like very much. Let's pull these plastics away and see what it is inside. So let's push it off. And there we go. Alright, so just a very close-up look at the Nothing Ear Stick. At the top, we do have the Type-C port for you to charge it up. You also have a very tiny button down here that actually helps you to reset the earbuds if you need that. And again, just the case itself is super cool. We do have a very subtle looking, Nothing logo right in the middle. And if you do not, like if it's closed and all that, you will see from the back here that there is actually a transparent plastic that allows you to see into the earbuds. Naturally, I'm sure a lot of you already know, we actually slide this or twist it to reveal the earbuds, and it's very beautiful right in the middle. Alright, so just putting it side by side with the wireless earbuds here, the ANC ones, and you can see how it looks like. Very similar design language, although I must say that a lot of thought has been put into the Nothing wireless stick. Again, I like this white and red combo that matches my keyboard at the sides there, and for now, let us see if we can disconnect this very quickly. I'm going to unlock my phone for now, and right away you can see that it already prompts me to connect the earbuds. So we're going to do that right now, and looks like I'm almost ready to be going.
A few moments later.
Alright, so looks like we are already in. Right, so we have 100% battery all over the earbuds as well as the case. That's great. We also have the equalizer over here, which we can use. I'm going to go for more bass because I always like a little bit more bass here. And we're going to go with in-ear detection turned on. Low light mode, I don't think I'll have that turned on for now because I'm not going to be playing any games for now. We have a couple more stuff here. Pretty basic stuff here in terms of the settings that we can get in the app itself. Pretty cool. Alright, so right now I'm going to remove the earbuds here and actually test it out for the first time. Never actually seen this thing up close in person. Wow, this looks really cool. Again, it reminds me very much of the previous ones over there, but today it's all about this guy. Let's put it in and see how it sounds like. Alright, so like I said just now, I wanted to test out a bit more music, so I'm going to check out a couple more songs on my Spotify here. You guys can see that I already have the Nothing Ear Stick in my ears. Again, I do have to say that it does still feel a little bit loose from my ears over here, but when I play the music, it just does not sound that way at all. So I'm going to go with the first song here. We have Ganja. Again, if you notice from the volume here, I tend to listen to my music very loudly. It's almost at its maximum volume. It sounds amazing, guys, for this kind of, ear tips without that rubber tips. It just sounds very, very rich, very full. I can hear the entire bass. I can barely hear myself speaking actually, so that's also saying something about this ear sticks. Woo! Sounds really good, guys. So good. Wow, okay, let's go to the next song. This is a more chill, more laid back song. Again, if you are a normal person, you know, you just don't care about, you know, what an audiophile thinks. If you just want to get a pair of really good sounding earbuds, this actually sounds really good. Let's go to the next one. Really good, really good. Okay, just to remind you, we can adjust the audio in the equalizer, balanced, more treble if you want to hear more of the, even more voice. More bass is the best for me. I feel like it feels, again, the word that keeps getting into my mind here is all about the richness. I can barely hear myself speaking, guys. It sounds really good, guys. Again, bringing this down here to give you guys a closer look. These are the ear tips themselves. They do not have any rubber tips at the head or whatnot. But yeah, again, as an everyday user, this actually sounded pretty good, guys. I really hope you guys have the chance to actually test this out in person. It actually sounds very, very good. I did not expect that. I mean, you know, I always thought this would be good, but it's actually quite great. Alright guys, that is going to be my first take on the Nothing Ear Stick. I'm going to be doing a little bit more testing, share more information with you guys soon. Again, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you guys like this very quick first thought kind of look on this Nothing Ear Stick. With that said, links down below if you want to find out more about them. See you guys in the next one. Bye!